Good morning, guys, and welcome to a new pre-market analysis. Today it's Friday, the 18th of August, and let's dive into it. Yesterday, I had no time. Actually, I, do you say it? Fucked it up. That's less swearing. I messed it up for myself. I couldn't fall asleep because I drank coffee before my workout yesterday evening or Wednesday evening, and I was awake till like 1:30 a.m. and I was like, no, I'm not gonna wake up at 6. Luckily, I have the freedom, or partly the freedom to do that. So I was like, all right, let's give it 1 extra hour. And I slept till 7, then dove straight into my routine and into the market. No trade yesterday. We're close here, but no trade. Today I slept short again. So I'll take another power nap this afternoon. And then tonight I think I have one workout this morning. First I have to do work, then I have workout. And then I think I have 2 boxing workouts tonight. Oh no, one. Just one. Just one. And then tomorrow morning, another workout. And then tomorrow, the rest of the day, do some small tasks, some small work, and then enjoy Saturday evening and Sunday off. Anyway, that's a little bit of me. Let's dive into it. And let's look at yesterday. I think yesterday we had job claims and did some stuff because he was still going lower. Strong candles, weaker candle. Sorry. In the size of candle, and now we're still inside yesterday's range. Before we go into the market, let's check if there's news. So there's no news today on a Friday. That's good. So we can move freely. And first thing I was noticing when I opened the chart today is that we broke below here. I don't know why this is still liquidity, although I think this will still be liquidity, but with the idea that this range won't hold because this movement is too correctional. We want to see impulsive moves down, and we don't have that. So yeah, but for now it's a break. So let's mark it out. We got internal range liquidity. We see that we are following this internal structure. Therefore, I'm gonna mark it on now. So we had this high, we had this low, we had the lower high, we had the lower low. So a couple ways to mark it out. We can also start with this one. Go for a 1 hour with a 50-minute collar. So we get a high, then we get the low. We hit the lower high, hit the lower low, a lower high, a lower low, which we can already mark out. Why? Because we already reaching to the discount pricing, meaning if we break lower, it is a valid low. If we come higher, it is a valid high. Yeah, bro, it's all free on the internet. You don't need a course nowadays. You don't need mentorships. Oh, a mentorship is definitely something I would recommend, but like courses, groups, I still enjoy it, but it's not necessary anymore because if you just focus on knowledge, it's all free out there. So, coffee. Yeah. So by following that structure, what can we see? We already took into range liquidity, which is a bit unfortunate. And we can see that we have this zone over here. I'm taking the entire candle. If you pull that across, it's a news candle. But if we pull that across, we can see that it was the low that led to that high. After that, we didn't come above. Yeah. We didn't really take any yeah, we took this liquidity. We took this high that led to that low. And this from here we broke previous daily lows. It's got that liquidity. That's why I was not really that interested in longs there, because I had 1, 2, 3, and then this would have been the fourth low, so equals to the downside. Now, if we use our tool, there we go, equal lows. So yeah. Now filling out that fair value gap over there as well. So this is not the final tool. We're still looking for a developer to complete it because we're not happy with it. But this will be subscription based. You can get access to this, and it's pretty cheap for what we're giving you and the other stuff that comes with it. So, but yeah. So I'm still looking at this area. We got, come on. And I'm gonna look at the 50% of that. So I still want price to maybe come above Asia highs. So there's no rush to look for shorts. Why do I want that to happen? Well, we didn't take any previous daily lows or something. This was our first liquidity grab. If you go to the 5-minute, this would be our first set of early sellers, whether it's all the way to the bottom or whatever. But this would be our early sellers breaking down or breaking above here, and I'm breaking below here. So if you get to the 1-minute, pretty much same story. No really sellers to the upside. Low, high, high, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high, bearish break. So this is our early sellers. So my move for today would be would be, so sometimes I talk a lot like these, but I should talk more with a relaxed voice. But my next move will be, oh, sorry, for price to come above here and then give us that that distribution and then that continuation to the downside, of course. This is my 50-minute demand zone, supply zone. Where would I look for longs below previous daily lows? Other than that, I wouldn't look for longs. Shorts from this area or above here. We can, let's clean this up. If we zoom out, we can see that we are engineering liquidity in the form of this trend line. So there's stops above here, stops above here, stops above here. So short from here, short from above here. Got to keep in mind that we have that entire trend line there. We have a area over here. We can see that we have unmitigated price, although it's balanced out as we tapped into that fair value gap. It could still be valid if we get to the 50-minute. Just about. So yeah. Then next up we have, so for EU, up, down, or up here and then down. Then for DXY, what would that look like? Down here, then up. So that's quite well, because oh, that's nice. Because on DXY, we didn't take that high yet, and you're building up liquidity here. Let's take that out. He broke above here, nice. So we took out these highs, so DXY's now looking at shorts. Pull that across. High time frame wise, we took that internal range liquidity. This is an impulse up. It is strong to the upside compared to this, but because in between we got a lot of slowdown, especially in the 4-hour. We got liquidity building up. We can extend this range now, and I'm actually now looking at that, saying, all right, we're gonna get one more drive to the upside, and then we're gonna break bearish. Okay, there's liquidity building up there. We got liquidity building up here. So yeah, one more drive to the upside would be nice. Ideally, like this. Get another build up there, and then get that move to the downside. Going lower. We don't. Oh, actually, do look at that. That's a good candle. So I'm gonna include that one at the bottom as well. And now if we zoom out or zoom in, you can see that we took these lows, got that minor break there, return to discount, and then a continuation. So that's looking good, ref. That's looking good. Ideally, want to get lower and then higher, but if you move, you move. A lot of acceptance lately. I'm literally just taking what I want. If it's I don't adapt, it's not the best thing. Sometimes it's better to adapt, but I just want to trade what I want. And if I don't get that, then I'll trade. Same here. We have the bearish break. We don't need to. We can also look and say like, all right, we already got that bearish break. Okay. Continue to look for shorts, but as this is on the 15-minute, but we didn't take any previous daily highs, we didn't take Asia highs, so yeah, I might be wrong. I might make the wrong decision. So actually, I'm just gonna mark out this. And let's zoom in. This is on mitigated on the 5-minute as well. We got some areas up here. Okay, I'm gonna keep that area on as well. And we might look for shorts here, but only if that is gonna reach into the discount pricing or premium pricing. So we need price to come lower first. Longs look quite valid. Well, not valid, but nice. If you class this as a bullish break, below here you could look for a short long or a quick long. But yeah, we got 3 areas for EU. Sorry, 1, 2, and 3. GU then. Okay, we need some. We have some cleanup to do. We got previous daily highs up here. You can see that we're engineering so much liquidity. Damn. God damn. Yeah, we going short. DXY's gonna move higher. GU is gonna take over. 100% sure. So we took these internal highs probably. Yeah, just about. So I'm gonna mark it as a sweep. So it's clear for me. Now we're breaking below here. I think pretty much same story here. If we get the move, I would look at this area. We got a minor area up here, which is quite interesting as well, as that is the area that took liquidity. Yeah. Look at that liquidity, man. Come on. It's just putting up so much. This is so correctional. So I'm aiming for lower pricing. Right, wrong, whatever. I just hope I can get a move from there. But pretty much same. Where's my previous daily highs? I thought I marked that on. Previous daily high. Yeah, I'm looking for lower pricing. Got that bearish break, bullish break. We took internal range liquidity. The thing is, we are still in a slightly bullish lag. But if we zoom out, we got this low. Oh, it's 30 minutes, doesn't matter. I'll show you in a 1 hour in a second. There you go. But that the monsoon, supply zone, 50 minutes clear as well. We tapped into the 50% of that. So this is my 50-minute supply. And we're just gonna move from there. I think this is a very Philip move. I think today momentum will step in, although there's no news, so we can move freely, really, and then get some moves. Sorry. Yeah. And I think this might EU is looking for high pricing with the in terms of liquidity building up. DXY is looking for low pricing as well. But we got those equals first. So first the highs, then the lows. EU first the lows again, then the highs. And GU, yeah, lows, and then might not take everything out, and then we can maybe get a move from here. But that's again structure for now because we get a high, low, lower, high, lower, low. So yeah, we'll see. Follow that and good luck. So for GU, of course, shorts from here, up here, and here. No longs. Oh, could look for longs from here. No, I'm not with that much liquidity to downside. I'm not interested. Look at how perfect that trend line is. Everything that's too clean has to be gone. Must go. All right. Peace out. Catch you guys in the market. Good luck. And speak to you on Instagram.